Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture everything live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. As usual, pre-market, I'm watching SPY and QQQ. Going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, and Netflix, with my primary watch being Nvidia and Tesla. I'll not be in a hurry to take any trades because today I think it's going to be tricky. The Fed is scheduled to come up with their policies today. So when the news hit the markets, I think there should be some price action either on the upside or to the downside, depending on the nature of the news. We do have around 6 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Nvidia and Tesla. I think Tesla would probably try to close the gap between 935 and 923. 45 minutes into market open, no trades as of yet, and I could already see volume fading. As you could see here, the first 5 minutes on Tesla, we had 1.7 million shares traded. The second 5 minutes, it dropped down to 600,000. The third 5 minute candle, the volume is around 378,000. So volume is fading, and I think it's going to stay like this throughout the morning session. So probably I'll pause and I'll start re-recording if anything comes up. Else I'll look to trade the afternoon volatility. I'm back and I'm watching Tesla. Tesla making a move to the upside. Not in a hurry to jump in. I'll wait for this 5 minute candle to close. News are out that the Fed is going to stay with the rates as of now. So probably we'll get some calls. I'm waiting. Also watching Nvidia and Amazon. 4 minutes for this 5 minute candle to close. Placing an order at 8.10. I didn't get it. Watching very closely. Low of this candle was 8.25. 8.25 strong level. Yep, I'm in. I'll be adding around 760. Placing. My next add would be around 954. I didn't get my third add. Waiting patiently. $6.55 maybe for my third add. Holding. I like this candle now. There is a tough fight here. Not sure who's going to win. Not liking how it's slowing down. Giving it some time. I think I should cut it. I'll not be adding. Because if this level breaks, then it suggests weakness. This is really tough. 750. If it breaks, I think we should get an exit. 20 seconds for this candle to close. Exiting. Out. That was a stressful trade. I took this out because this was the first 5-minute candle to make a new high, and I was seeing it struggling, so I thought I should book my profits and move on. Maybe it would go higher from here, but I felt the stress and the pressure going into this trade. I think I got 23 cents and it was not worth the risk. I thought we could expect more volatility, but it didn't happen, and I'm happy to be green. Had I got my third ad here, it would have been a good winner. I would probably be in green all the time and I would not have stressed much, but now it's going. Usual stuff, but I'm not trusting this move because we don't have much volume. Not a great trade, but green is good. So probably I'll stop trading. I was so stressed, that's why I actually sold on the first pop, else I would probably have stayed a little longer. I'm happy to be green. I expected more price action following the Fed's policy announcement, but looks like these moves are weak and I don't want to overstay my welcome and go red on the day. Overall, a tough day of trading, but I'm happy to be green. So that's it from me for today. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.